Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. In today's video, I will teach you how to 1v1 friend in Counter-Strike 2. This will be step-by-step guide and I will show you how to create private 1v1 server to play with your friends. And before I start, don't forget hit the like buttons, likes are very important for me. Okay, first of all you need to open the game and you need to have game console activated on your Counter-Strike 2. If you don't have it, you can do it very simply. Just go to the settings, go to the game settings, and here you need to find the enable developer console, which is right here, and you need to choose yes. Once you will do it, you can go back to the main page. After that, you can open the console and now you can create your custom server to play with your friend. First of all, you need to enter the command to choose the map. So for example, map. You can open any workshop map, but in this case I will open the Dust 2 map. Just enter the command and click enter. Okay guys, we created a custom server, but the problem is there are bots, so we need to kick them. To kick all of these bots, you need to open the console again and you need to write bot underline kick, and you will kick all of the bots from the game. Now I will teach you how to invite your friend to the server. You need to open the console again and you need to type the command status in the console and you need to find your server IP address, which is right here. You need to copy this IP address and you need to send this IP address to your friend. And your friend needs to activate the console in his Counter-Strike 2 game. And when he opens the console, he needs to write this command connect space and enter the IP address here. So when he press enter button, he will join your custom server and you can play 1v1 game with your friend. In the end of this video, I will show you my blog where I put all of the main comments which will help you to set up the game settings, guys, for 1v1 match, guys. Here are all of the comments for your custom match. Thank you for watching. Don't forget hit the like buttons. See you in the next video.